Ah.
You have to show us your tail. Little wiggy tail. Okay, come on, so we go with the tail. Come on. I need to get help. Come on. Representing the fairy princess thing. The purple fairy thing. Princess thing.
Purple fairy. Ooh.
Show her wings.
Ah.
I forgot the tail from the last one.
Oh. Yay.
Yes, we're doing the Little Mermaid Princess with her friend Doggy. With her friend Doggy. You have to show her extension.
Let me see.
Now it's the tail, but come on. Representing the sister of the Little Mermaid. I am mermaid.
I like that one.
Mermaid. Yes? Mermaid. Okay, come on. You do it. Again. Okay, come on. The lover of Elsa.
And your accessories are cool.
Hello.
Elsa, yes.
Again. Okay, come on.
Wow.
You fix this all out.
You picked it out, Emily?
Follow it.
And what's it called?
It's called, she said to me, it's called the Christmas of Rainbow Dash.
Uh-huh.
Come on.
I heard her say now presenting. Good job, Emily. Yay. She said now presenting. Emily, what's it called? What's the outfit called? What do you call the lovely outfit?
She said the princess of Christmas past.
Oh, all right. Clever.
Come on. Again. I know this. A tiara. So embarrassing. Again. A tiara.
Ah, tiara on the runway. Cut the show.
On. So embarrassing. Come on.
As long as you don't break a leg. Oh, lovely. And it's called?
The Princess Nerd.
Princess Nerd. I believe it's backwards. Your dress. You're wearing Fashions by Emily, and she was wearing Fashions by Evan. Yay!
We'll do it make sure to check out our channel. Again. And one more outfit, baby.
Okay.
Again.
Bless you. And It's called?
This is called Elsa on Vacation.
Oh, neat. Good.
Okay. Looks like we're done. Sorry, Emily. We're done for today. Make sure to check us out on the channel. And we'll be sure to make a behind the scenes.
Okay.
Can't get these wings off. Someone help. These wings. Huh?
2 minutes.
I'll go hang this back up. Oh, just Elsa. I didn't realize that. I thought it was just Anna and Elsa. 2 minutes. No, we're done for this outfit. We'll do one next time. I'll be right back.